Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Gaming 101. My name is Phil and I work on the product marketing team here at VIZIO. As many of you know, one of the most highly anticipated events in gaming this year is the introduction of two new consoles, the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5. These new consoles will bring new levels of gameplay quality with new capabilities to take gaming to the next level, and our 2021 collection has you covered. Now, what features should you be looking for in your next VIZIO TV to pair with these new consoles? Both the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 will support 4K gaming and high dynamic range. This offers more detail, contrast, and brightness when gaming, and the M, P, and OLED series offer 4K, Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10+ support, creating a more true-to-life image when console gaming. These series also have wide color gamuts, with the M and P series coming with quantum color, and the OLED coming with ultra color spectrum. This technology offers a wider palette of colors for the TV to display, bringing more vibrant colors and making your gaming experience more immersive. Both new consoles will also support HDMI 2.1, and all ports on VIZIO's 2021 4K collection will also support this standard. This allows for gaming on higher bandwidths, which will let gamers see the developer's original intent. HDMI 2.1 is also important because both the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 will support 4K gaming at 120 frames per second. Our P series and OLED models come with 4K at 120 FPS, so you can game with less motion blur and ultra-low input lag. Last but not least, all TVs with Pro Gaming Engine will come with support for variable refresh rate. The 2021 M series are certified for AMD FreeSync, and the 2021 P series have been certified for FreeSync Premium. As the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 launch, we're as excited as you guys are to play on these consoles. And with VIZIO's 2021 collection, you can game with confidence knowing that the Pro Gaming Engine will help you get the most out of these new consoles. Click the link in the description below to learn more about VIZIO's 2021 collection and to find the best deals on TVs and soundbars.